December 6th, 2014. Currently it's 10:30 p.m. It's been raining since yesterday afternoon, since about 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. It's been raining. And not only that, this storm that's causing the rain is actually going to go southeast of us. It's going to go around the area of high pressure to our north, so it's going to go to the west, and then it's going to head up back north, where it's going to give us some more heavy rain Tuesday into Wednesday. That's interesting. I'm just going to show you what I mean. So here is the current view, the model view of the storm. This is the current run that just came out. Here's the rain that's being depicted to be over our area right now. This is the radar estimation. And here's the storm leaving. Very weak. It's not much of anything. It's a disorganized area of low pressure at this point. But it's going to go south. It's being, because of this area of high pressure, it's being forced to the south. And then it's going to go to the west briefly. And this is going to be Monday. This is going to be, this is right now. I mean, it's currently, of course, it's Saturday right now. This run is always showing the Greenwich Mean Time. So this is Monday. This is Tuesday. And this is going to be Wednesday. It's gonna linger. You're gonna have some backlash precipitation, possibly some snow. This is the GFS run. The GFS is not as robust as the NAM is, but it's showing basically the same thing. Here we go. Showing basically the same setup. This is like the 6Z run. The GFS is always a couple hours behind the NAM. So this is the rain being exiting. This is the storm going south and doing the same thing. It's then going to go back up to the north, except it's going to be weaker and slightly further to the east. It's going to also leave quicker. Not quicker, but it's going to be weaker and it's not going to produce as much precipitation as what the NAM suggested. But it's still going to linger. I mean, look at this. This is the same storm, basically. It's just going to linger and linger and linger. This is 10 days later. You're still dealing with the storm. 10 days from now, the storm is still going to be trying to spin itself up. I mean, that storm just does not want to quit. This is the storm that just does not want to quit. Okay, the European run was just showing basically the same thing the NAM was showing, a much stronger storm closer to the coast. Here's the storm that's leaving us right now. Nothing more than a short wave. That's the storm right there. Weak form though. And see, this is going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So yeah, get a general idea. It's just going to be a storm pattern for the next 4 to 5 days here in the Northeast. And I'm going to go to weather.com just to show you what the forecast is for the next 10 days, to see how on track or off track they are with their forecasts. I think they're pretty on track, because some of the models have been showing the storm is going to be in and out within a day. Some of the other models have been showing it's going to be a week-long event. Yeah, this is a pretty agreeable model. This is what I've been thinking as well. Rain and wind Thursday, rain and snow showers Wednesday, and AM rain and snow showers Thursday. That's definitely what I've been thinking as well. And this storm is going to be, it's the same storm that's impacting us right now. So I'm calling this a double whammy storm, basically. Double whammy because it's going to hit twice. It's kind of like slapping us right now, basically, because it's so weak. But when it comes back around, it will punch us, because this storm will be much stronger with a lot of wind and a lot of rain. So at night it's going to change to snow, supposedly, according to the forecast. It's not. The snow, I think, will come in Wednesday afternoon. See, rain showers early mixing with snow showers late. Rain and snow, a mix of rain and snow showers. I doubt it. I think it's going to be towards the evening when it'll change over. I think it's going to be Wednesday. I think it'll just be rain. Wednesday night, I think it's going to be, that's more accurate. Thursday, I think it will be more or less the same what they're saying. Cloudy ratio, showers diminishing in the morning, a few breaks in the clouds in the afternoon, high around 40. I think it's going to end as snow Thursday morning. No accumulation expected in the city, maybe some dusting of grassy surfaces, that's it. Going long term, we might see a cooling trend towards the end of December from what the North Atlantic Oscillation is models are suggesting they're suggesting it's going to go positive right now, but towards the end of December, I mean, the models may try to go negative. So that means January and February could be very cold and snowy. Why am I thinking that? Not just because of what the North Atlantic Oscillation is showing, but you also have the Pacific North American pattern. Positive usually brings cold, snowy weather for the Northeast. And the PNA will be positive. That's a very good sign for cold. And the Arctic Oscillation has to be negative to get a big storm along the East Coast, usually. And the Arctic Oscillation is showing fluctuating between mostly negative and a little bit of positive. So this trend is showing that you might get a storm. It's just going to be cold pattern. Even though you're not getting a lot of blocking, I think towards New Year's you might get a pretty significant storm in the Northeast. So all I'm going to say, well, thank you for watching. Have a great day.